Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back for another video. We got Pistol Pete. Greatest NBA game ever, 68 points against the Knicks. Damn, that's a lot of points. A lot of points.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
I don't know what year this was. So it had been like in the 70s, I think, or maybe early 80s. But it's a long time ago. He played with the Jazz. I forgot he played with the Jazz a long time ago before he played with the Celtics with Larry Bird. Larry Bird's rookie season. But we're gonna get right to the video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button, all the good stuff. We're gonna get right to the video, man. Yeah, I need to put on full screen, I guess. So yeah, let's go.
45. He leads the NBA with an average of 29.8, but against the Knicks he has scored 39, 38, and 28 points. We are underway.
Let's
go. A lot of picks out there for Pete Maravich.
McElroy fakes the starter move. Here is a pass off from to the base.
And one.
Good by the Pistol as he gets his first field goal and a foul on Tom McMillan.
Well, that time Pistol moving without the basketball. He comes along the baseline. Clyde
headphones come
on the
loud.
screen. You'll watch him. McMillan switches over to help out. McAdoo switches over to help out.
With the left hand.
The call, I didn't see who hit him, but they called the foul. The Knicks shooting cold right now. They're getting very good shots, but they're not falling for them.
Clyde almost gets a steal at midcourt. Here's a
mid-range. Oh man, that's a long time ago. They didn't even have three-point line.
And he's got 5 points already in New Orleans.
They could look kind of small.
Here's a Frazier jump shot. It is off the back iron, no good. Maravich rebound. The Pistol.
That court look kind of small, man. It's like a middle school.
Okay, so biggest problem that I'm seeing is that people are making content online that actually doesn't do anything. You're hearing crickets when you create content, and
7 points for Pistol.
They come off guard with the ad.
Right now.
After the game, the Knicks have a charter flight back to New York. Here's a Maravich shot in the lane.
Nice.
Well, the Knicks having a tough time defending against Pistol Pete right now. Clyde is guarding him, but he's going to have
to. Put my camera on that before the end of the video because my battery is kind of low.
Maravich in his 7th year from LSU.
Boy, he is an offensive machine.
13 points in the quarter already. Maravich, he's double-teamed and can't shoot.
Leading Bob McAdoo.
Well, he'd have 60 if he kept on going the way he is right now. He's got 15, and we still have 2.5 to go in the quarter. Earlier this year, we had a shootout between Maravich and Monroe.
Oh!
The Jazz was in. Oh, there's a foul on Beard.
Don't play with him, Pete. Don't play with him.
He was moving very well to get his shot off that time.
McAdoo goes down to the baseline, shoots over top E.C. Coleman, but it's no good. And Maravich takes the rebound away from Lonnie Shaw.
Good pass. Hey, don't dunk that, man. Come on, man.
And the Jazz jump up by 11.
You gotta dunk that.
That time, up until now, Murph hadn't said anything, but this time he pointed at Red and said, a seat. Maravich. Boy, he's got
I see he loved that little dribble to the paint with the left and pull up. The tough shot.
21 points for the Pistol right now.
It's okay, I'll shoot it. Okay, I'll shoot it. You're not gonna guard me, I'll shoot it. Good shot, Pete.
Williams feeding off the drive. Here's Maravich. They got it to the guy they want. Pistol in and out of the lane. Here's his.
Damn, okay.
21 points.
Okay.
13 points for McAdoo.
Now the Knicks have given Dean Memminger the task of trying to contain Pete Maravich. Nobody else has been able to do anything with him so far.
He killing that mid-range, man. God.
27 points for Maravich, and we're 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes from halftime. He's an incredible performer.
Lazy pass. Oh.
Oh, the turnovers are killing the Knicks.
Good pass.
And a 23-point lead. Here's a halftime NBA score. Golden State 52 and Buffalo 50. The Warriors have lost 3 in a row, and the Braves have won 4 straight. Joe Mulaney doing a fine job in Buffalo.
Oh, come on. I wasn't expecting that at all. I wasn't expecting that.
59 points.
Damn.
We've got 3.5 minutes left in this quarter, and it's been
They got a hook shot. Oh.
Last night it was the 3rd quarter. It was so bad. Bo Howard,
That was a wild shot. My battery blinking already. So.
Johns, coach, what are you doing?
I'm studying film.
You're still watching Spider-Man No Way Home, aren't you?
No, I'm studying it. And coach, I'm finding new Easter eggs every time.
You've been watching?
This is not the largest deficit the Knicks have
Yeah, my
faced
battery's
this year.
blinking right now, so
January 11th in the third quarter.
hopefully it doesn't die. If it does, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I can't use my phone. See this? I can't open the screen on my phone. Pressing the button, I can't do nothing. So.
And it's taken by Memminger. That time the Jazz just rushed it up a little bit too much. And the Jazz keep it. No, it's stolen away by Beard. Up front to Jimmy McMillan. He drives off the glass, no good.
Did he block it?
That was fine defense.
Like he blocked it.
And a rebound by Coleman. I don't think
the
Knicks have had an offensive rebound in the quarter.
Maybe one.
2 minutes left.
Good pass, good shot.
Found by Howard, and that will do it in the quarter.
Halftime, okay. Let's get to the second half before my
There's Pistol.
battery
What
die.
first half he had. He shot 12 of 18. He also shot 7 for 7 in fouls, and he had 5 assists, which is the best figure for any player on either.
Okay, let's get into the second half. Come on, let's get there we go.
In the air. Here's the shot by Pistol.
He's still hot.
Pete Maravich now with 33 points in the ball game. 69-48 New Orleans. Maravich almost tripped.
I kind of feel like stopping this anyway because my head is hurting really bad. Sinus headache. But I don't want to be like that.
I don't know how you stop him. He is too much.
Cal, I don't know about you, but I'm running out of things to say about Maravich.
Yeah, me too. Because like
This ball game is Pistol Pete Maravich. He is
he's doing it all out there.
trying to really give Butch Beard some help now defensively against Pistol.
Oh my God, man. That's a tough shot.
For Maravich, and that matches his high against the Knicks. That matches the high for any single player in the NBA against New York this year.
I tell you, if there's such a thing as a law of averages, Pistol will have to cool off pretty soon because he has not missed too many shots this season.
I think he defies that law and a few others sometimes. Otto Moore gets fed in the post, back to the Pistol, goes on a drive.
Left hand and one. Let's go. And one.
Hit for the highest number of points of any player against the Knicks this year. He's got 41.
And he made another great
And he's still going.
That time going to his left, going around Tom McMillan, and Tom pushed.
I like how as soon as he got the ball, he knew where he was going. He just took off with it without traveling or anything. That's a good move.
Now it is 80-58 New Orleans.
They were pretty successful.
New Orleans Jazz.
10 points for Shelton. Here's Maravich dribbling through that press. He's going to go in and drive.
And one.
Good, and he was fouled. And Pistol ran right over top.
That's
by
crazy.
Cameraman, perched at courtside.
Batter still blinking.
Like he wants that new career high tonight.
Well, it's awfully tough to press a man with his dribbling ability. You'll watch him here beating line.
Yeah, you're not gonna steal the ball from him.
Coming over, and he just goes right around Earl here. Earl bumps him.
Just flicks it up off the backboard, and it's good.
That's right. He hits the foul. That's his 46th point. Monroe, no good. Rebound.
Getting rebounds.
They're going to have to score a little better than that. Take advantage of these opportunities on the missed shots.
Oh.
Maravich still working for shots. Here goes the Pistol, double team.
Chill, Pistol, chill.
With 48 points.
You watch Maravich here making a move against Butch Beard. Comes in between his legs. Then he gets a little screen there. Comes around. McAdoo comes to help. Earl comes to help.
Don't even matter.
Knicks have cut the.
My head hurt so bad. But I gotta finish this video. Good shot.
Well, there's Maravich hitting his 50th point. One away from a career high. His career high coming into the year was 50, but he had that 51-point game in December.
Just pumping the ball. He making it look so easy. Oh my God, that video was messing up.
And he does it with 9 minutes left in the ball game. And you folks watching on television tonight are seeing the best offensive game in Maravich's history. He's played professional ball for 7 years.
Well, Knicks have tried everything and everybody on the Pistol.
Pull up. Oh.
Nobody's worked out too well.
He's still shooting.
Man, y'all gotta double to him before he even get the ball. Don't let him get the ball. They let him. He's just doing anything he want to do with the ball.
102-87. The Pistol firing for 56.
They're not even fighting over the screen.
Well, he's incredible. He had a cold streak for a while where he missed about 3 or 4 shots. Now he can't miss anything. Oh yeah, he's playing like he wants to stay in.
58 he's got.
Wow. Oh.
And he gets a layup.
Get a little fancy with it. Okay.
You're watching basketball.
That was too easy right there. Little give and go.
And this is the highest single game for any player in the NBA. Moore's pass out is blocked, but the Jazz recover it. Here's the pistol. Sees some daylight, goes in, lay it up. Good.
And one.
A charge. A charging foul on Pistol.
What?
And that is his 5th personal foul.
Wow.
Pistol Pete, and that ball came in and went off of Dean's hands, they call. They're looking for him.
Aaron James inside.
Oh. That's crazy.
Backed into Meminger. What a basket. He's got 63. One through and he scored. 65 for the Pistol. 2:14 remaining. The Pistol with 66 right now.
I knew he was gonna steal it.
Here's a basket for him if he can convert.
It's just too smart, man.
68 for Maravich.
Another steal?
Look at him fight for this ball.
Wow.
The Pistol's doing it all.
Oh.
Ball game.
Travel.
And the crowd is going wild here at the Superdome.
I wonder what kind of contract he's going to ask for after this ball game.
Well, he ought to call his agent in right away. Out the Pistol. Goes on a drive. He's out of the ball game. They called him with an offensive foul, and that will foul him out of the ball game with 1:18 to go. Listen to the hand he gets with 68 points.
That's crazy.
It's the highest total by a guard in the history of the National Basketball Association.
Well, you got to give it to him. He put on a performance this evening.
You got to give it to him, man. He played his ass off.
Good evening, everyone.
I didn't mean to restart. Man, Pistol Pete had a game. He had a crazy game. 68 points against the Knicks. It's crazy how they started trying to double team him after he got like 60 points. Like, it was too late. I should have been double teaming him when he got like 16, like in the first quarter. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. My battery is still blinking, so I'm gonna try to end it before it actually cuts out. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Stay smooth, stay blessed. I'm out.